Hi everyone. The schedule widget is one of Guestboard's most popular features and allows you to quickly build and edit an event agenda. So let's quickly go through everything you can do with your schedule. You can see I already have one agenda item loaded in this company retreat event, but I have more items to add. So I want to go up here to add schedule item, and let's say I want to plan a team lunch. So we'll say that it's from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and I have a location in mind, and I'd like to display a map so that everybody knows how to get there in case people are coming separately. And I'll include a short description that says, "Come hungry." Now, a couple of the interesting things you can do with your agenda items is I can enable individual RSVPs so that I can get an accurate head count of who's coming and put in a max capacity for that event. Let's say I only want 10 people coming to this lunch. I can label this event and say, no, this isn't a planning event. This is food, and we'll give it a label of food. And then lastly, if you've utilized any guest groups in your guest list, which I have a few here, I can select this is going to just be for our sales team or just our engineering team. And what that will mean is this agenda item will only display for the guests who are under those specific guest groups. So I'll add this to the schedule. And there we go. So we have a new agenda item here. It's labeled food. It's an invitation essentially only to the engineering team and will only show to those guests. And we're having a team lunch, interactive map right here. And I can say, yep, I'm attending. So what else can you do with your schedule? Up here in the upper right, your schedule preferences. You can save a lot of time if you have a very extended schedule. You can import from a CSV. And you can use our schedule template here to make sure that it uploads properly. You can also export this agenda to a CSV. This export to CSV RSVP will allow you to get a list of all of the individual people who have RSVP'd for individual events. So if you have a conference or a larger event where you want to see who is attending each item, that's how you can do that. And lastly, embed schedule. So this is the ability for you to grab this snippet of code, this iframe code, and you can paste it into any other external website code to show this schedule on an external facing website. That's it for the schedule. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next demo.